In the previous video, I have explained you about various data types available in Java. I have given their sizes as well as I have shown you the range of values that are allowed in those data types. So in this video, let us see how to find out what is the range of any data type and as well as what is the size of the data type. How to find out that. So for that, I will introduce a few classes. We will look into those classes to find out what is the size and the range of values for each data type. See, in Java, for every data type, there is a built-in class available. So what does it mean? I'll explain here. See, if I say integer, it's a data type. And if I am declaring a variable, then we say this is a data type and it is a primitive data type. Primitive means this is a part of a core part of a compiler. Then there is also a class available for which you can declare a reference and also you can create the object of it. But we will learn those things later on. We will have separate videos upon these classes. But right now just I am giving introduction. So these classes are available. So these classes are nothing but a wrapper around primitive. So these primitive data types, these are not classes. So Java has defined classes around these primitive data type. So for every data type, there is a class available. So those classes contains the information about the range of a primitive data type and the size or the number of bytes they take. So how to find out about each primitive? So let us see, we can find out through these classes. So for that, I'll go to command prompt. I have already shown you how to check the contents of any class. So here, command is JavaP and the class I have to mention. So just now I have shown you integer class that is actually present in java.lang package. So slowly you will learn which class is present in which package. You will get used to and you will remember them easily. So don't worry right now. So I am writing integer. So java.lang.integer. So look at this. See, it is having few members. So let us look at some useful members for our discussion for our topic. See, there is a final data member called bytes. This gives the number of bytes taken by this data type. And also having two predefined final values or constant values that are min value and max value. So you can check these values. These values will tell us what is the range of a data type and also this bytes will tell us how many bytes it takes. Clear the screen. Let us go back to the program. So here simply I will write on system.out.println. I will print the value. So I will say integer.min underscore value. Just now I have shown you this one. So I will also print maximum value. This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. So I'll make it as max. So here also I will give a message that is int minimum value, a short description I have given here, then plus. Then next is int maximum value. So I will say int max, a short description, then plus. And also I will print the bytes. So paste it and here I'll first say int bytes, then give plus. Here instead of min value I have to say bytes. That's enough. So this is only for the integer I am showing, right? So let us run this and see, then we will see other data types also. So I will save this one, go to the command prompt, say java c d and press tab. It will give the program name. So compile it. Now java, say d and tab and cut off this dot class. It's easy to type. See, here is the minimum range, minimum value of any integer, maximum value of any integer, and it takes 4 bytes. This is for integer type. So I have shown you only for integer. So is there any class for float also? Let me try all possible classes. JavaP java.lang.byte is a class available. Yes, there is a class available and it is having predefined members, that is min value and max value and also bytes. This gives the number of bytes and actually this gives number of bits. size gives number of bits. So there is a class available for byte. So is it available for short? I'll just change this to short. Let us check. Yes, it is also there. Class is also there for short. Then there is a class available for float. Yes, this is also having same members for min value and max value and bytes. Other members are also there. We will learn them in later sections. We will go into detail of these classes later on. Then, do we have a class for character? Let us check. Character. Yes, the class is available. So in this class, do we have min value and the max value? Let us check it. Yes, it is having min value and the max value. And here bytes is also there. Now lastly, let us check one more. That is for boolean. Is it there or not? Yes, class is there. But boolean, oh, it's not having min value and max value. It's having the predefined constants like true or false. These two are there, but it's not having min value, max value or bytes. So already I have told you that we don't have a fixed size for boolean. It may take 1 byte or it may take even 1 bit. So there is no fixed size. So here size is not there or bytes are not there. Now let us go back to the program. I will change this byte and show you. Now here I have changed it for byte. So let us check this. I have a min value for byte. Here it is, right? And max value for byte. And also I have taken number of bytes for a byte. Let us run this program and see the range of byte and the number of bytes it will take. So this is for byte data type. So class is byte class. Let us compile the program Java C data range or size and range compiled. Now Java, then run. Yes, it is showing for byte. See, the minimum value of a byte is -128, right? And maximum value is 127 and number of bytes a byte is taking is 1. So this we have already seen it on whiteboard. So this is how we can check the range. Now I will show you one more data type, that is float. Then rest of the data types you can check them by yourself. Yeah, here I made it for a float. So let us save it and execute it. Let us compile first because I have changed it for float. Now again run it. Yes, this is the minimum value of a float and this is the maximum value of a float. And number of bytes a float takes is 4. So that's all. I have shown it for few data types. Now you can try it for short and long and double and character. You can check their sizes and you can check their range of values. So this is a very important topic, though it's a very basic thing. So you must be familiar with this one, even if you don't remember them exactly, but you should have the enough idea. So if you run this once and check it, that will be helpful for you. So that's all in this video.